So if you know anything about RVs, they traditionally run on a 12-volt lead acid deep cycle battery. You might see it listed as an RV marine battery, and that's fine. That'll run most of the things that you need in a camper, at least to get you to the site where you can plug into shore power. But that doesn't always work out, especially if you're trying to boondock or camp in a way that you don't have access to a lot of power. And that's where lithium batteries can come into play. So lithium batteries generally have this, well, it depends on the size you get, but this particular lithium battery from MHPOWOS, I'm not sure how to say it, but that's the company, is a 100 amp hour 12.8 volt battery, which 100 amp hours is the same amount of power that my lead acid battery has, my deep cycle battery. But a lithium battery can be run from 100% down to 0% without hurting the battery. Whereas if you've worked with deep cycle batteries at all, you know you can't discharge them beyond 50% or you'll kill the battery or kill its ability to be charged and recharged to its full capacity. So that's the benefit with going lithium on top of